Okay, here's the process to dry your PLA or filament that you choose. This case I'm doing PLA. So go ahead and open up your bag. Take this silica out of the center of your roll. Get a box and cut the perimeter out. Flip it over. Poke about 9 holes there. Right there in the center. And now just put this filament in here. I'm gonna flip it to the side that doesn't have the sticker. Not sure if that matters. This is gonna go flat on your bed. So let's put it in. Oh, actually, hold up a second. Let's set this guy up. So let's find where it says dry filament. Toolbox. Dry filament. Okay, you want to select your filament type. In this case, I'm going to do PLA. Okay, and then this is why I deleted the last video I made, because this temperature wanted to be at 70 degrees. Somebody had their PLA melt, so they're recommending to put this at 50 degrees. So I already had said it, but let's do that one more time. 50 degrees. And you can see it was dropping down. It was a little bit higher earlier. So yeah, it'll go no higher than 50 degrees. Now you want to prepare it. But yeah, you can just follow the instructions there that it gives you. It has step 1, 2, 3, and 4. And this is why you don't put the box quite in there yet when it's doing the prepare phase. Okay, it's prepared. Succeeded. Okay. So now you can put your box in there with your filament. Now I'm wondering if I should have covered that hole, but let's just run it like this, because I don't know any better. Haha. All right, let's hit start. There we go. And that's it, y'all. It's set up for 12 hours. I might only do it like 6 hours. I may flip that roll over halfway through. Alrighty. Hope that helps. Later.